What's up peeps, and welcome back to Predrill Plays. And we've got a project today. We are revamping Ikea stuff. Well, one thing. I bought this, can't quite pronounce it, Vittsjo, whatever. Okay, here's a picture of it. Okay, you might remember I said that I moved my computer from the sitting room to my bedroom, and my bedroom is not the biggest room, so I have to kind of compromise on having a proper desk. But I'm going to put my computer on it, so when I'm playing games I can sit opposite the window and get good lighting for my YouTube videos. So we're going to spray it today. I'm going to show you what I'm using. I'm going to have to do it outside, but first let's get assembling. And we're going to go outside and freeze while we spray this thing. And because it's black, I think it's going to take a few coats. And I have tested the spray out. It is really good. Wait till you see it. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this, and it's going to look 10 times better than it looks black. It's £30, it's a bargain. I've seen one of these console tables. It's similar on eBay for £1,000. So, if you don't want to be spending £1,000 on furniture just because of the finish, you can do it yourself. You'll probably have to wait a few hours between each coat. I am so impatient, I hate waiting for stuff. I was going to use it as it was, but I just wanted it to be gold. Just need a screwdriver for this one, just a Phillips screwdriver. I've got the scissors out. Let's cut open this box. Try not to damage the box, just in case there's any damage or breakages inside. At least you can take it back. I think Ikea take 30% off for open boxes, so we don't want that. Let's hope there's nothing wrong with it. Let's have a look. Ooh. Okay, let's get all the pieces sorted out and see what we've got. How much assembly do we actually need? Firstly, let's take this glass away from here, because we're not putting that on until we've sprayed it all anyway. Let's put it somewhere safe. I'm going to put it on the sofa. Hopefully no one sits on it. Okay, so we've got the top. We've got the bit that goes underneath. I'll show you that later. We've got this, whatever that is. We've got these two, whatever they are. And looks like we've got two side pieces, which are the legs. Instructions, we don't need them, do we? We never read instructions. Screws, all the bits we need. Let's get that open. I'm going to pour them all out onto the floor. So we've got brackets and screws. I think we do need them instructions after all. So I'm just going to get on with it now and let you watch. on wood and metal, so it's okay for that bit that goes underneath, the little square bit. 5 to 10 minutes, touch dry. Wood, metal, craft some more. Coverage 1.5 meters square, and it says keep it at about 20 centimeters distance while spraying. So long even strokes here, and we can recoat after half an hour. Well, hey, I'm loving that. So here goes. I'm going to make a right old mess with this. I can feel it. It's going on really well. It looks like the one coat is actually doing a good job. It looks very gold straight away. I'm doing it outside. Sorry to the environment. This must be quite toxic. It's definitely going to need a second coat, I think, but it looks pretty good already. I forgot to take 2 feet off. I've sprayed 2 feet on and 2 feet off, and here it is. How good does this look? So I've sprayed the little clasp things for the wires. And look at that. Look how shiny it is. I'm well pleased with that. That is so fantastic. And I love how glistening and sparkly this top thing looks. This is basically a laptop table, a laptop desk, but my computer's going to fit on it. There's a few little blodgy bits here and there. I don't know why that's happened, but hopefully the second coat should cover that up. And this is what it looks like with the second coat, which I've just done. There are a few bits that they're not perfect. I don't know whether it's because we didn't use primer on this, whether you need to use primer. It doesn't say you need to use primer. I'm not too bothered, but if you're trying to get this perfect, maybe you should be using the primer. I might have to do one more coat. Really pleased with the colour of the gold. I mean, it could have been a bit coppery or bronzy, but it is actually really gold. So I'd recommend the spray that I've bought. Okay, here it is. I could not wait. So I had to put it in place just to see how it looks. I put the glass on it as well. And just need to clean the glass because there's a lot of finger marks on it. But I am going to do a third coat on this, because once I put it in place, in my room, you can see the bits that I've missed more than you can outside because there's a lot of reflections around. So I would say, take your final look at it in a room where there isn't too many reflections, because outside there's a lot of trees and bushes and stuff. You can't tell that it's not completely coated, but I can see some black areas. Not too bad, but you know, where it needs another coat. So third coat is going to make this perfect. I thought I'd show you it before I do that, because otherwise I'm going to delay this video even more. But I am going to do a third coat as soon as I've finished this video. So you can see some of the bits here. I don't know why that's happened. Again, it may be because there's no primer on it. Maybe it didn't adhere so well. Also, doing it outside when it's windy and stuff, I don't know whether it blows the spray around before it's dried completely. But you can see here clearly there's a bit of black there. And I think that comes from not being able to point the nozzle at exactly the right place, because it is a thin bar. So I will be working on that for sure. I did think I didn't mind, but now it's in my room and I can see the black bits. I'm taking it back down and doing that. Spray is indeed very toxic. It's got a high VOC content, so do not do this in the house. That's the difficulty with this. If I was doing it in the house, I wouldn't be missing these bits, but doing it outside with the wind blowing, and the wind also was blowing the spray. So even if I was pointing it in the right place, the wind was blowing it into a different place. Yes, I've made a bit of mess outside, but so what? It's all in the name of good stuff. Okay guys, and that's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully it helped you out with any hacks that you want to try out for yourself. Maybe it's giving you a little bit of confidence to spray what you wanted to spray before. If you want to get some more tips and stuff, maybe you could ask someone who sprays cars. I'm no expert on spraying, but that's perfect enough for me. I'm happy because it's gold and it goes in my room with all my other gold accessories. It's fantastic. I'm glad I did it. I was a bit dubious to begin with, as spraying something new is not the most inviting thing for me. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I do videos like this quite often, and I will be doing lots more craft videos and lots more hacks as well. Like the video if you liked it, if it was helpful, share with your friends. Let's get those subscribers up. I've got 262 now, which I'm very happy about. I'm grateful for all of you. This time last year, I had only 50 subscribers, so great work. Thank you, everybody, for sharing and recommending. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.